What up, Boston? Curtis Dondino, and today we're here for another bag unboxing. So, you know it's 2020, and Bottega has had the fucking ball from every girl purchasing the shoes or the knockoff equivalents. I know y'all know what shoes I'm talking about. I'll probably put them yeah. But whatever the case is, so with this Bottega bag, I'm like already like. Alright, let me just say this, right? If you're a salesperson, I'm gonna get to the bag quick, but if you're a salesperson, right, and you're selling something, please make sure if your customer's saying, hey, do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Please do your full research, because I know that you're trying to get that sale, so you're trying to sell what you have available. So instead, what you do is you say, this is sold out across the country. But it really disheartens a young, hard-working entrepreneur like me when we purchase things and you tell us that the other colors in the stock, and I do like an ounce of research, like type in Bottega.com, you know, I don't know. When you type in the name, when you type in a website name, you get the shit and you see the fucking shit you was looking for without even looking for. It's like, yo, why would you lie, sir? Why would you lie? I didn't even want this color. Even though I like the color, but I wanted white. I got a black Prada bag. You done? Alright, I'll be done this soon. So, it's just kind of frustrating, you know? And so, this is the bag. I want to start off by talking about the actual bag coming. This bag is very loud. You don't really see this green in luxury often. So, I think it's really dope to see, or at least that I can think of, or in recent times. You know, just a very shiny bag, very flimsy, very weak. It does have like some type of, you know, quality. The quality is this little part right here where they put the straps in, it's like a little square. But I mean, and they do got like some like little metal thing to tie the strings, and it comes, and it's like a really long bag. It's a really long bag, so like literally walking out the store, this shit is dragging. But I think it definitely will allow your bag to sit apart from the other bags. My recommendation is to make sure the bag, I guess it's a different bag, different product. That's Khadijah and H downstairs. I don't know what the fuck they doing, but damn right now they doing me. Oh, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all fuck with my shirt, Dino. Coming out this, well, I mean, when I'm recording it, it's not out yet, but time the video drop, it'll be out. Y'all know I'm lazy, so I'll be having videos for months before uploading them. Excuse me. Alright, so now to the bag. So it came in this big dust bag, really cool. It's something about this green. Now, green used to be one of my favorite colors, so of course I'm enamored, but it's just something about this green specifically against the white, this black against this green. It's just something that all over does. So this is a really nice dust bag, and this is what I'm talking about when I say like little details, like even the size of the strings just look really unique and thought out, you know, even if they weren't, just looks that way. Now, don't get me wrong, I like my bags to come in boxes. I don't know, maybe I'm a Chanel kind of guy. I don't even own a Chanel, but it's not the point. My point is, like, I don't want to spend, you shouldn't spend $1,000 on anything that doesn't come in a box. Because see, boxes are things you can keep. You don't really keep a dust bag. And some people don't really, you know, re-put their bags in boxes and stuff. I mean, it can kind of be arduous. But for me, I think it's important because I don't, like, I buy stuff for the moment, for the most part. It's either like classic or for the moment. So if I'm purchasing for the moment, I know I'll probably put it away after that season is up or whatever. So it would be just really, really dope. But damn, we 4 minutes in and I ain't get to the bag yet. But y'all seen it in the ad. Then the bag came with some tissue paper. I think he had it wrapped up nice, but I guess it came out from being in my trunk for so long. But so this is the bag, and it's a really cool bag. Really dope. I really feel, what I like about it a lot is, I was gonna say it's broke. It's a woven, it's like a woven canvas bag, so think woven Prada. It's kind of genius to think about. So, and it's about the size of, it's like about the size, like it's not big, I don't want you to miss this photo. It's like about the size of my chest, if that makes sense. Like, so not too wide, like the size, probably isn't a good example, like the size of a half a shoe box. I don't really know what to compare to. But I really like the chunkiness of it, the bulkiness of it. Like, it really gives, like, person who isn't really cool with that accent. But that's what I think makes it cool. I got on backwards. And, there's a lot of cool stuff about it, and I'm gonna get into it. So the first time I seen this, I seen Argent Tay with a white one on. But I actually now found out to be like nude or tan or gray or some shit. But whatever the case is, when I seen it, I'm like, that big like it's Bottega. Oh, it is. Oh my god. It goes online. No, I actually didn't go online. I was in the store like the following day, and literally, hold on real quick. So I was in a Bottega store, and I'm not the type to ask prices because I don't really like asking prices because you already be looking at you like y'all niggas don't belong here anyway. But whatever the case is, I was in the store and I'm like, fuck it. So I looks in the bag because one thing about me, I'ma look. So I looks in the bag, you know, trying to find a tag or whatever. Don't see it. So I had to ask. And when I asked, he like, oh, it's 11 something. I'm like, only 11. So I'm like, order me the white one. He ordered me the white one, got it for me. Then he said it was sold out, but that's another story. But he was real cool. I fuck with him. So actually the bag is $12.90, and with taxes it came to $13.67 to be exact. So it is called 101 Men Courier 8803 if you're looking up the product number or anything. And that was 101 Men's Courier 8803. Just in case you want to call, you can give them the exact product number so you can purchase it yourself. So of course we got like a quilted vibe, but it don't never give off Chanel. It kind of give off not quilted, like woven. I'm sorry, that's why. And then it looks like two straps that don't really aren't really together. And it's kind of like, is inserted through like a tie of some sort. See? And like, this is one part, if that makes sense. And then this other part goes through. It goes through this strap right here. Then it comes up and you can kind of adjust it. And this is how it adjusts. Like you pull it how far you want and you put it in the hole you want, or whatever the case may be. I would like to put it back wherever it was, because wherever it was in a really good position. As far as like where it fell on my body. See, like, I think I would probably wear this shirt with Dior though. See, if I had the white one, I would wear it with this white, because that little white just set it off, you know. But yeah. So alright, so a couple more cool things. So the bag closes with a magnet close. So like, open, close. But I can already see it's gonna be sucky because it's not closed right now. So I can just see it not closing often. Because then it's like you also gotta be cognizant what you get in the bag. So yeah. That's how it closes. I feel like this is something you really could wear every day and dug it out, because no matter how old it gets, it's never gonna look old because it already has like a dusty look to it. So then we open it up. We got some tissue paper in the inside, some more tissue paper, and then we got like a little I didn't even see. Maybe because this one was new, because the one out probably didn't have it because somebody probably could just take it off. I don't know if you can take it off. It looked like it ties to it though. Oh, it's like a little hook, I think. Hold on, let me see. I'm sorry y'all for not knowing in advance, but don't blame me because I wouldn't really know this stuff. This won't bother me. Stuff like that bothers me. I gotta take it off. I don't know. I don't need this little coin purse anyway. But oh, I see why they got you a coin purse, because the bag is pretty much like, I do not recommend anybody purchase this. Your money could just fall right on out.
Oh, hell no.
Fuck no. Yeah, this is definitely for a look or an aesthetic.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. But you see that?
This is...
Come on camera, Amber, and see what you got to say. Hey y'all, this is my best friend. So.
Hey guys.
It's me again.
But no, like I get
It's
that it's like
cute, like-
woven and that's cool and all, but it's like, yo, your shit really could just fall out
No,
unless
sis,
you zip.
That's not gonna fall out. Let's see if your phone could possibly fall out.
If you get
Even your
one-
phone could possibly fall out.
If you
That's sick. That's really sick.
That's
I mean, I guess you could put your important stuff in here and leave it tied in there, but it's still like,
It's
I don't know,
nice,
it's giving me
though.
unsafe vibes.
It's
if you
comfortable.
get one, you need something thick and put it in there.
Yeah, basically, I think the conclusion we all came to is you need a bag to put in this bag.
Yeah, like a, yup.
Like something that you hope you won't drop.
So
I like
what
it
shoes
though,
would
it's
you wear with those?
probably any, like honestly, like even them Balenciagas I just had on, like I would do them. I would probably not like,
You don't necessarily gotta hit a brand shoe to
yeah,
wear them.
essentially, especially when like I don't like their men's shoes is cool, but they not really like hard.
I never
They
seen
got-
men's shoes.
They look. I never seen them
the
top in the
shoes
store.
that everybody try to copy and they be looking fake as fuck and they don't be the real.
Literally, that was the introduction to the video. Like
Alright.
every girl. Got it. Yeah. And don't get me wrong, like, and then a
They
lot of people got
cute.
the knockoff.
No, they're cute, but
Yeah.
everybody sells a knockoff, so it's just like.
That's annoying.
Also,
You get a real one.
also, if you touch this, you could feel the inside of it.
Let me see.
Yeah, you can actually feel the inside of
Oh
it.
my god, you're not lying.
And if
So
you
you
put
really
your
could just-
phone in there,
I think
it will fall out.
their biggest feature is also the biggest thing. And don't get me wrong, like in retrospect, if you're really just buying it for the look, you don't have to care. But like I always say, if you're watching a video like this, 9 times out of 10, you probably care.
Care, right?
Because I mean, I'm not the type that would really go in, do like a lot of research on stuff. But for people that are, like, I don't know if y'all would be too happy with this. Honestly, you probably could disassemble your bag if you try hard enough. Like,
You only have to use this bag.
just moving. Let me see, is there anything else I can say about it? I think I already told y'all the price and stuff
We
like
got
that.
this one.
It's a big bag.
Because I wanted the white one, but the guy in the store told me the white one was sold out everywhere. But it wasn't. I went right on the website. It's not like bright white, it's like a gray.
Alright.
And you know, I feel like that type of material.
Well, because of that material, I
Yeah.
feel like it's gonna give off like a green color anyway.
I was telling them how the first. Oh my bad. I was telling them how the first time I had seen it, Eric and Tay had it on, and that's how like I had seen it. And I
Don't
was like,
forget the dust bag is the next important thing.
H is a dust bag stand account. Because he's gonna tell you about your fucking dust bag. But no, like I'm going to the website now. You literally could just. I'm assuming it's a tote bag.
Oh.
Not this one though, because these ones all probably high as shit. I'm
How much was this?
13.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
Shabby. I mean, I wouldn't buy it. Would I buy it? Fuck no.
I think you would probably buy it if it was probably more feminine, if it was leather.
Yeah,
if
it's not
you know,
feminine. It's not feminine enough for me. It could go, but it's just like, what is that?
Oh, they got like backpacks and all of that. I never even knew. I never even looked. And this is why also I would advise you whenever you like see something that's like a very popular, trendy item, look on a website and see if they got other models or different,
Make sure
options.
you never drive this on the floor because it is big.
No, believe it or not, this bag right here. Shay, you want to see the bag? Yeah. I'm just trying to get a little bit more content for the. Yeah, so we keep sending.
I got the
Oh yeah.
This is the other one y'all was talking about. It's like, see how I look gray. But they call it plaster. So it makes sense because it's like a,
Blaster.
yeah, like,
Yeah.
but I would have preferred that. Especially because I already got that black Prada one. But, alright, boss stars, that was about it. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow us on Instagram and everywhere else. I'm going to put all Khadijah's shit in the description. Am I missing anything?
Like and subscribe.
Damn, how do I always forget that? That's the most important thing. Like, that's how you keep it going.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Like Khadijah said.